You can now use several validation rules in the tDQRules component. In this scenario, we will use 3 validation rules from Qlik Talend Data Integration. In Talend Studio, select the app, enter the URL and the API key. Fetch the rules to retrieve the JR file. When it is done, select the rules and click Refresh Table. Associate the rule variables to the input columns. Run the job and see which data is valid and invalid. In this March release, Talend introduces new Athena components that improve interoperability with Qlik Open Lakehouse. This update brings dedicated components for both big data and data integration use cases. They let you connect Talend jobs to Amazon Athena more easily and run SQL queries against your Lakehouse data. In this example job, first configure the connection in Athena configuration. This shared component centralizes Athena connection settings and can be reused by Athena components in the same job. Then, in Athena input, select that connection and enter the SQL select query. Athena input runs the query and sends the returned data to the output flow. After executing the job, the Execution tab displays the query results directly in Talend Studio. You can also verify the same data and display the corresponding view in your own console, like AWS Glue for example. This release makes Amazon Athena access more consistent across job frameworks and helps teams validate Qlik Open Lakehouse data flows faster. The March release introduces a new Data Mapper feature. You can copy schema columns directly from Studio components and paste them into hierarchical mapper structures. Here we have a customer order job with T-row generator containing the following columns. Select the schema columns you want to reuse and choose Copy. Now switch to your hierarchical mapper and open the structure where you want to add these elements. Right-click the parent element and select Paste from Studio Schema. The columns are instantly added as child elements. You can also paste schema columns as sibling elements by copying any element and selecting Paste as sibling from Studio Schema. Note that data types are automatically converted. Starting from the March release, you can digitally sign your jobs in Studio using a custom key store in PKC's 12 or JKS format. Then verify your signed jobs consistently across Job Server and Talend Administration Center. Configure your key store and algorithms in Studio in one place. When you build jobs, they're automatically signed with your chosen algorithms. Configure Job Server and TAC using the same signature algorithm. They will verify the signature of every job using the algorithms you configured. One signature, trusted everywhere. This ensures job integrity across your entire platform, from development through execution. The March release introduces local lineage testing, allowing you to validate lineage generation before publishing jobs to Qlik Cloud. Here we have a standard job that reads and transforms employee data. Open the Run view of your job and click the Lineage Testing button. You can specify where lineage logs are saved, or use the default folder. Now run the job. The system automatically generates lineage metadata in JSON format and sets the log level to info so that you can see which component will be able to generate dataset. This catches lineage issues early, saving time and ensuring accurate data lineage in production.